अब एक ट्रम्प भाई साहब हैं, उनके पास भी ऑयल है, उन्होंने भी फ्रैकिंग खोल दी है।
अरे भाई उनका मेरे भाई उनके पास ऑयल है. दे आर द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर. दे प्रोड्यूस 13 million barrels a day. Now they're going to be producing another 1.6 million barrels a day. But the issue is not that. They must have the oil to sell us. When they have the oil, but LNG they have. And I see a lot of increase in LNG. By the way, we've been buying 15 to 20 billion dollars of energy from them in any case in the last few years.
So by buying more oil, more energy from them, are we going to be able to offset this entire tariff thing, sir?
But why are you so mesmerized by this tariff
No,
thing?
we're not mesmerized.
No, but why? When there is a young leader, 54-year-old Yuva Neta, who made some statement because the last public event I went, they asked me, उन्होंने ये कहा, मैंने कहा मैं नाम लेता नहीं किसी नेता का, उनको बोलो पहले अपने आप को समझे ये टैरिफ क्या चीज होती है. देखिए वो जो देश है जहां पे टैरिफ, every country is free to determine its own economic policies. But we are part of a multilateral system. We were original signatories to the GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. WTO आया, वहां पे कुछ negotiator. Somebody wants to change it because they think short. Don't comment on it. You have to deal with it. भाई साहब, आपके 40% exports तो services में है. The services sector is not covered by tariffs. Tariffs are applied on goods as they cross borders, but services तो चली जाती है. It can go ऊपर से भी और साइड से भी, सब जगह से चली जाएगी सर्विस. यू कैन बी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सर्विसेज यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग. सम ऑफ योर सेक्टर्स आर जस्ट नॉट कवर्ड, लाइक फार्मास्यूटिकल. लुक, आई एम नॉट अ ट्रेड, आई एम अ student of trade negotiation, but just now when Piyush ji comes tomorrow evening, you ask him. My view is that he will exude a quiet confidence. We are one of the countries which is dealing with this, and as my colleague Jaishankar ji said, we are hopeful, following his discussions with the Secretary of State Rubio yesterday, we are hopeful of concluding an early trade agreement with the United States. So I think we are on track.
You're on track. You don't think Bharat is going to be adversely affected?
अरे भाई ये एडवर्स क्या होता है यार, मतलब समझाओ तो
अच्छा,
सही. हर एक चैलेंज में अपॉर्चुनिटी.
ये डिसरप्शन अच्छा है कि खराब है?
अरे अच्छा खराब तो कुछ नहीं होता. अगर आप में दम है, रेसिलियंस है, तो यू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, ऑफ अ चैलेंज, एंड यू यूटिलाइज इट एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. मेरी जिंदगी में तो यही हुआ, जब किसी कठिनाई का सामना करना पड़ा उसमें से अच्छे निकले. अरे मैं बताता हूं, मुझे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की overall his capacity to navigate this and his team is second to none. We will come out winners in this.